Hi दोस्तों, welcome to you all in my YouTube channel, and today we are going to discuss about Master of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Why I am going to discuss about this course? Because many of the Indian students and Pakistani students are coming to join this course. I do not know the reason because I met there are few students. They are coming through one of the agent in Hyderabad and Bangalore. So that they came um to know that they have the very bright future in Australia, and they can earn very high salary, they can get job, and they can get a PR. So there are the three students, they just consulting with me about their future, how they can get PR and all this. They are very confused. So I thought I can make one video on this. So we'll discuss everything about this course, Master of Pharmaceutical Sciences. So one thing that I think you already study in your B Pharm or your Pharm Day, that is called radio pharmacy. There was one very small chapter in B Pharm, I remember. But here is a very specialized course. It's a 2-year master degree course, or if you study 1 year and you have to certain credit hours you finish, and you can get a diploma degree. It's called a postgraduate diploma. So this is the two things, and for they offer this course as a full-time and part-time, but those are international students only. For them this is a full-time, this is not the part-time for them. So we will see everything here. But the requirement for this course, they need a bachelor degree, and so in bachelor degree, especially if you are bachelor degree in pharmacy, that's fine, or you are like a biochemistry bachelor degree, like medicinal chemistry, you did BSc or something, even chemistry, even you did your MBBS, then also you can join, and you did some bachelor degree in the nuclear medicine or something. So all these disciplines, those can join this course. And employment, especially like many we'll see here the first the language requirement for English. IELTS needs 6.5 overall and 6 each band, and some other requirements. And all the universities, they shows that they give some scholarship and all these, but this is very difficult for international students. So do not think you can get a scholarship. I can say you will not get any scholarship or something. Most of them, in market, no one want to pay for this. So yeah, okay. So okay, we'll go back. And this course very good, I can say. If we compare with MP, I will also compare with MPH. Well, first discuss about this. Is nuclear medicine is a branch of medical imaging that use a small amount of radioactive compound that known as radiopharmaceuticals to diagnose and provide therapy to patient. And radiopharmaceutical practitioners are responsible for the creating the radiopharmaceutical used in nuclear medicine. Mostly, those have the some cancer therapy. Even that iodine 131 uses for the those have the thyroid cancer in all these. So for the damage that cancer also, we need to use that the iodine 131. So all these solution, the medicine, the preparation, everything they have to make after this degree. And many of they can call radio pharmacists. And some country like in India, there are some institute also, very specialized institute. For example, Tata Cancer Institute in Mumbai. So certain kind of once you finish this degree, even you can get a very good job in India as well. Because in India, I did not find that any master degree they are offering a similar kind of this. So this is a very good course. So what is the future about this course? You can get the jobs here and there. Now, I mean, whenever you join any course, the university says you can get a high paid salary, this and that and that. When you join your pharmacy degree, especially B Pharm or Pharm D, the school and teacher, they will say you have a very huge scope, you will get a very good job, nicely job and all these. But now you are a student, now you know the situation of pharmacy in India and Pakistan. The salary is very low, and there is no much, the people not give respect and all this for just pharmacists, many things. Similar kind of here, this shows lot of the professions you can join आफ्टर दिस डिग्री, मतलब ये है कहने का यहाँ पर कि बहुत सारे जो बताते हैं वो रियलिटी में है नहीं बेसिकली मार्केट में. सो इन द मार्केट वंस यू फिनिश दिस डिग्री there's not that much jobs available, and especially if you are international student, is for you, someone has to offer you that, someone has to give you the job and they have to sponsor you, that's very difficult in a task, and that's the reason, and you will cannot get a PR from this course, so I can say for this course there is no PR, and job also is not that much available. But as compared to MPH, this is a good course. If we compare with MPH, Master of Public Health, and this, so I can say you have to choose this course. Still there is a chance to get job as compared to MPH. In MPH, very low chances to get job. I mean, I can say very few only they can get job. But after this course, you have chance you can get job. In MPH there is no PR. In this course also there is no PR. So at least in those courses you want to choose, so you can choose this course, but the fee is somewhat high as compared to MPH. So if you join MPH or this course, both of the course, if you are pharmacist or you are nurse or medical doctor or something, after that you have to go for your licensing, then only you can get PR. And there are certain other ways you can get PR. I give consultancy personally, individually. If I will see your circumstances, and based on that, your experience, your education, your own performance, your own and the point and all these, then I suggest mostly what kind of course you can go, or maybe how you can get a PR in Australia. So anything you are doing, any course in Australia, especially you are a pharmacist or nurse, medical professional, anything, and you want to consult, you can just give me a call or message on the WhatsApp or email. My number is +61 4242 37664, and I already discussed my other videos as well. So at the end in this video, I want to say that this course is good, but not that much good. इतनी jobs available नहीं है इस course के लिए भी, है ना. तो ऐसा course नहीं है ये कि आप आए 100% आपको job मिलेगी. For example, if you are going for nursing, definitely you will get 100% job, and if you go for Master of Pharmacy, you will get job. But for this course, not surety. And MPH also, this course not the surety. But चक्कर ये है, आपको ये course करना आना है, मगर आपको अपने licensing पर ध्यान देना है, और दूसरे other ways हैं मैं आपको बता सकता हूँ, और आपने consultancy में लिया यहाँ पर तो आई होप आपको ये समझ में आया होगा इस वीडियो के बारे में, और ये कोर्स कैसा है, क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ पे आ जा रहे हैं एजेंट के थ्रू इंडिया से, पाकिस्तान से, और वो लोग बताते नहीं है कि बेसिकली यहाँ पर इतना स्कोप है या नहीं इस कोर्स का, है ना. बिकॉज आपने कम से कम जो है यहाँ पर 50 लाख के आसपास आपको इन्वेस्टमेंट करना है कि अगर आपने कोई भी कोर्स किया मास्टर डिग्री ऑस्ट्रेलिया में, है ना. तो बहुत ही सोच समझ के कीजिए पहले, उसके बाद ही आइएगा. एंड थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.